ArthroFree Surgical Camera Assembly. The sterilization tray includes the camera light engine and 3 batteries. Start by removing the light engine and the camera from the sterilization tray. Do not remove the camera by pulling on the cord. Attach a coupler, if needed, by securing it clockwise onto the camera. Some lenses will not need a coupler. Remove adapter from the lens. Attach the lens to the coupler by pushing the O-ring down. Attach the light engine onto the lens. You do not need to spin or twist it. It will click into place. Remove a battery from the sterilization tray. The sterilization tray has 3 battery holding slots. Align the flat edge of the battery to the top of the chamber and insert. Push it from the back until it clicks into place. The camera light will turn on within 5 seconds. The ArthroFree light is not hot enough to burn your hand. The camera is now ready to white balance and use. Button functions. The ArthroFree camera has 4 buttons for controlling brightness, magnification, white balance, and capturing pictures or video. ArthroFree Surgical Camera Disassembly. Remove the battery by pulling posteriorly. The light and the device are now off. Remove the light engine by gently pulling superiorly. Remove the lens by squeezing the O-ring to release it. Unscrew coupler from the C-mount on the camera by turning it counterclockwise. Place camera back in the sterilization tray, followed by the light engine and battery. The components are now ready for sterilization.